Hello everyone, it's Pierre here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? Everyone's okay? Hopefully you're okay. We got a Samsung laptop today. This is more of a netbook than a laptop. It's a USB charging one, which we all love, like literally all love. So yeah, when I'm plugging my charger, you see it is working, and yes, it's showing you voltage and amps, so we know that this one is working. Whereas the Thunderbolt is here somewhere, either this or this. Okay, let's try both. See, no change and no change, so that means there is an issue because it doesn't shut down. See, still the light is on both ports, yes, and on this and on this. So it's looking like something is not connecting, maybe in the port, or well, if there would be short to be true, shorted main rail, then we would have that light off, yes. So yeah, let me take out, oh, it's popping out. Let me take out all those fours, remove the screws, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's it. I've never opened this model, this particular model. I had similar ones, and I know that I could use my nails, but this time I've got really short nails, so I might fail. So I need to find for a place where I can fit my nails and try to, well, like here maybe. Let's get this metal, and there is a grid of like a radiator things. And now can't fit anything inside. What about this? This would go at one place, or it won't help at all. Oh yeah, it's going. Okay, so when I'm prying on those corners and lifting up, this suction cup is taking it apart, so we can take something to go. Okay, this is a guitar pick. Let's say guitar pick. It's for prying mainly phones and tablets, but as far as I remember, there was no cables, only this back plate on its own. Okay, so now this radiator thingy. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it's going like in the other one. It doesn't go as the bottom of this, but it comes with those outlets from the radiator. But this doesn't hold anymore. Doesn't want to hold because there is a, see, there are small there are holes, and because of those holes this vacuum didn't work. Okay, let's switch to this side. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to this corner now. Okay. That's a bit okay. So it went. It's better to go and then leave this last bit where this radiator is located, and then when you've got it, when you pull it, it's just coming out. So it wasn't too complicated actually. Now we can check what's the problem with Mr. Notebook, netbook, or whatever you can call it. I wouldn't call a laptop. You know, for me, in my head, laptop has stronger specifications. It's not a tablet on a keyboard and mouse on touchpad. So for me, you know, oh, this has double fan, so it's not that bad. So maybe it can be called a laptop. Nothing sharp. Okay, so where's the power button first? And there should be a light as well somewhere. Oh, that's the opposite way. Okay, so power button is on the keyboard. For sure not here. Huh? Well, this fella has a power. Here is only one button, which is no name. So, and there's no literally a single button apart from that. So, oh well. Anyways, let's get this charger and let's plug it in. Let's see where this Thunderbolt is, which I've seen earlier on. Ah, okay, so it's this one here. Okay, cool. And let us check how far the volts will come. And here's the meter. And on the USB-C charge it can be up to 19 volts, but my charger will go up to, I think, only 12 or 15. Won't go that far. Okay, so let's grab the ground. I'll get the magnifying glass. Okay, and let us check those pins here. Okay, so it's, I don't see a power here. Like comes just a bit, but nothing. So let's check the battery then. What voltage do we have? I've got plus and minus, so it will be a bit different. Can you imagine? 0.00 volts on the battery. Wow. Is it shorted or something? Is the battery shorted? Wow, 0.04. Okay, well, this battery should have voltage here, 15.4 volts. Let's check on the diode mode. Okay. There's no short. Okay, so we can try to charge it then. And what about now without the, it's disconnected, and let's connect now, and let's now turn to the 20 volt DC. Now let's check if we've got any voltage. Okay. 0.1. Now we've got some voltage, but it's point. So it's looking like there would be an issue with The charging port only? That's the whole problem? Yeah, 5 volts now, there is 5 volts. No power on fans. Dead. Oh, and I see some gluiness inside. I'm just curious, is it a liquid damage would cause that? Ooh, it's a liquid damage. Customer didn't say anything about it. Look. So no wonder this was short-circuited. Okay, so if it's a liquid damage, I'll have to take out the board, wash it underneath the well, first is a distilled water. Okay, first distilled water, because now we've got those 5 volts. That's okay. That's 0. Yeah, we've got those 5 volts here, so it's okay. I'm just curious if that will start charging me or it's immediately short. No, it is. So my first measurement was just wrong. But now, do I have any voltage coming in onto this 0.00? So the charging IC doesn't work properly, and it wouldn't because we've got a liquid damage somewhere. So I better disconnect it. I could try to run it from the battery only, but because of the liquid damage, I don't want it because I can short circuit something. Yeah, customer never said anything about the liquid damage to be true. I don't want to test it and see, but it is sticky. Okay. Doesn't, you can't smell anything dry. Probably I need to put a bit of a water so that it will be able to evaporate quicker. I don't want to leak it. I could, but I don't want. What doesn't kill you make you stronger, to be true. So yay. Okay, I'll stop here. We see that there is a problem with it. It's a liquid damage. We see that the 5 volts from my charger is trying to communicate with the main board. It's coming in, but it doesn't trigger even 9 or 12 volts on my charger. It doesn't go, you know, beyond that. Something is cutting off here, so the liquid damage is a #1 issue which we need to deal with. I'll record part 2 once I'll clean up the problem. I need to get my ultrasonic cleaner. Again, I've hid it somewhere and it's lying somewhere. I know it's somewhere here, probably in the wardrobe. I'll find it. What I want to say is I'll clean the board. I'll clean it inside out. I'll check if the main board is available as well for this model, and if the main board is quite cheap, then I'll suggest to the customer, look, it's a liquid damage, so it's a 50-50 always. I can clean it, but it can be staged repair. That means I can clean it, it's fine, it's working, everyone's happy. After a week, month, or several months, this can come up again as an issue. So if the main board is available, maybe customer don't want to risk it and just want to order another main board, and customer has to be aware of that. Yes, so that's it. That's my suggestion. If the main board won't be available, I can say to the customer then, look, 1 attempt is fine. Yes, and I'm putting into 3 washes in the ultrasonic cleaner. So I'm putting one with a not to clean water, that means it was used before for some other liquid damage. Yes, then it's out, it's sprayed even with an alcohol, well, dried a bit, sprayed with an alcohol, yes, brushed, and it's going to the boiler room and it's drying out. Then the second one is in the clean distilled water, and the third one is again sprayed with an alcohol to help evaporate well, and so on. And the third time again, yes, so 2 times in the clean distilled water, 1 time first is just to get rid of the main fault, but each of them are in the ultrasonic cleaner, and only this way proven me that it's better than just 1 wash and that's it. I had 1 washes before and I don't like it because too many customers were coming back, whereas with 3 washes much less, noticeably less customers are coming back. And I've spoken with the chemist, with my friend chemist, co-founder of the Inte team, and he said yes, there is a reason behind 3 washes, because each time you wash, yes, each time you wash, you multiply, you know, dissolving of the, you know, of the liquid is there, yes, especially that you're using later fresh distilled water, so you're like starting from scratch pretty much, but now you've got more power over the less volume. So if that makes any sense, yes, so it is a good approach, yes, but 1 wash, it's no, yes, guys. What else I can say? That's it, guys. I would say that's it. We will see, because that will take me even on NVMe, so I've got extra work on the fan, second fan. So yeah, on the battery here, on the speakers, everywhere is stickiness. So I need to speak with a customer if he's aware about any liquid damage in his laptop, and if that approach is fine. If that approach is fine, then I can speak to him about resurrection of this laptop. If no, yes, if no, probably I won't record even second part, but I'm still calling it part 1 because this requires part 2. Hopefully customer will say yes, but customer need to risk at least 30 pounds for my 1 hour of work, because if customer won't pay me this, I don't want to even start it. It's too much, and why I would bother my time if I know I will for real spend up to 2 hours on this, yes? And we don't know if that's only hours or maybe some components are burned as well. That's why customer need to pay 30 pounds for sure for the repair attempt fee, yes, and then we can take it from there. But that's it in this episode. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and if possible, let's fix them all. Take care. Bye bye.